The science behind lysine, effective relief for canker sores. Canker sores can be a painful nuisance, but there's a simple and effective solution: lysine. This amino acid has gained popularity for its ability to combat canker sores, and the science behind it is compelling. Lysine works against canker sores by inhibiting the replication of the herpes simplex virus, or HSV, which is often associated with their occurrence. Canker sores, also known as Aphthous ulcers, are not caused by HSV, but lysine's ability to suppress this virus can indirectly help prevent and heal these oral lesions. Research suggests that lysine competes with another amino acid, arginine, which is crucial for the replication of HSV. By increasing lysine intake, you can tip the balance in favor of lysine and inhibit HSV replication, thereby reducing the frequency and severity of canker sores. A study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy found that lysine supplementation may help prevent outbreaks of cold sores caused by the herpes simplex virus. This study, titled Double-Blind, Placebo-Controlled Study of L-Lysine Monohydrochloride for the Prevention of Recurrences of Herpes Simplex Labialis, involved participants who experienced frequent cold sore outbreaks. To examine the impact of adding lysine to the diet on herpes infection, a 6-month trial was conducted involving 1,543 participants, who were later surveyed via questionnaire. The study encompassed individuals with cold sores, canker sores, and genital herpes, among whom 54% had received a diagnosis and treatment from a physician. According to the findings, the average daily lysine dosage administered was 936 milligrams. A significant 84% of respondents reported that lysine supplementation either prevented the recurrence of herpes infections or reduced their frequency. In contrast, when not using lysine, 79% described their symptoms as severe or unbearable, a figure that dropped to just 8% when lysine was included. In the absence of lysine, 90% of participants stated that it took between 6 to 15 days for lesions to heal, whereas with lysine, 83% reported healing within 5 days or less. In summary, a majority, 88%, of participants regarded supplemental lysine as an effective treatment for herpes infections. If using lysine supplements, the suggested dose of lysine is 500 milligrams, to be taken 2 to 3 times per day. L-lysine is the biologically active form of lysine that is found in supplements. On its own, lysine isn't as stable or bioavailable as L-lysine. So, how does lysine work its magic? Here's the scoop. Lysine is an essential amino acid that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. It plays a crucial role in protein synthesis and immune function. When it comes to cold sores, lysine works by inhibiting the replication of the herpes simplex virus, which is responsible for those annoying outbreaks. In the study mentioned earlier, participants who took lysine supplements experienced a significant reduction in the frequency and severity of their canker or cold sore outbreaks compared to those who took a placebo. This suggests that lysine supplementation may be an effective way to manage and prevent these sores for those who experience them frequently. While using lysine, it's advisable to steer clear of foods rich in arginine like chocolate and nuts, including flax seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, spinach, whole grains, almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, and walnuts, as they may exacerbate herpes symptoms. Concerning safety, opt for high-quality over-the-counter supplements or herbs. Though rare, some users have experienced diarrhea and abdominal discomfort. Overall, this product is generally well tolerated. Is it safe to consume L-lysine daily? Using lysine supplements is generally safe and tends to pose few side effects. The majority of individuals can safely ingest a daily dosage of up to 3 grams of lysine without experiencing adverse effects. However, elevating the lysine intake to 10 to 15 grams per day might lead to digestive problems such as diarrhea. In addition to supplements, incorporating lysine-rich foods into your diet can also be beneficial. Foods highest in lysine content include meats such as chicken, turkey, and beef, fish like cod, sardines, and salmon, dairy products such as yogurt, cheese, particularly Parmesan cheese, and skim milk. Unflavored Greek yogurt serves as a superb lysine source, much like most yogurt varieties. Not only does it offer ample lysine, but it also contains low levels of arginine, thus serving as an ideal option for reducing arginine intake while benefiting from a calcium boost. Eggs, particularly egg whites. Hard-boiled eggs contain a significant amount of lysine, providing 452 milligrams per egg. Additionally, they have a slightly lower arginine content, offering 378 milligrams per egg. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas. By including these lysine-rich foods in your diet and possibly supplementing with lysine, you can support your body in its fight against canker sores. Remember to maintain good oral hygiene practices and manage stress, as these factors can also influence the occurrence of canker sores. Aside from eliminating canker sores, the following are other ways lysine is beneficial to our health. Supports immune function. Lysine plays a crucial role in the production of antibodies, enzymes, and hormones involved in immune response, helping to protect the body against infections and illnesses. Promotes calcium absorption. Lysine aids in the absorption of calcium, an essential mineral for bone health, by facilitating the transportation of calcium across cell membranes. This can contribute to stronger bones and may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Helps maintain healthy skin. Lysine is involved in the production of collagen, a protein essential for skin elasticity and wound healing. Adequate lysine intake may support skin health and promote faster recovery from injuries or skin conditions. Supports athletic performance. Lysine is involved in the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that helps convert fatty acids into energy during exercise. Supplementing with lysine may support endurance and overall athletic performance. In conclusion, lysine offers a straightforward and science-backed solution for combating canker sores. Whether through supplements or dietary adjustments, incorporating lysine into your routine can help alleviate the discomfort of canker sores and promote oral health. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.